How to refund game passes on Roblox Mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'll show you how you can request a refund for game passes on Roblox Mobile. It's a simple process, so follow the simple steps. You can't request refunds through the Roblox Mobile app itself. You need to use a web browser. So close your Roblox app and open a browser, and then go to roblox.com/support. Hit enter, and on the support or contact us page, you will find a form. Fill it out with your contact information, including your email address, and this is how customer support will contact you. So enter the correct form of your email address and confirm it in the next field. You can also include your username and your first name, which is optional. Now go ahead and select the device that you're having problem on. Select Android device, then go to help category and select purchases using Robux. After that, go to help subcategory and select an experience item. Now in the description box, describe your issue completely. Include all the important details such as the exact cost of the Game Pass in Robux, the account that made the purchase, the specific Game Pass name, the name of the Roblox experience it belongs to, and providing accurate and complete information will give customer support the best chance to help you and potentially grant a refund. So hopefully this video helped you understand how you can exactly request a refund for the game passes on Roblox Mobile. So if it did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.